This is a long time in coming. Car sat here for 10 years. Almost 10 years. And I've just been working on it, minor stuff, to get it running again. I promised that I would get it running this year. It is 2019, August, and 2019 means this is the car's 30th birthday. It's an 89, and I can't bear to have it sit. I mean, I have no time for it whatsoever, but I've got to get it running this year. And to what degree? The clutch still has to be done. The clutch is bad. It won't hold boost. Well, not the amount of boost that I want, but it's drivable. But I don't know if I'll have time for that, because if I do the clutch, if I do decide to do the clutch, I want to swap out the transmission to a taller geared LS trans. Right now it's got a B16 short geared ratio with an LS fifth, which is just way too short for it. It comes out of boost, so after every shift it's just too short. So I want to lengthen that, and replacing the trans may be easy weekend job, but I've got the quaif in this B16 tranny. So I do have to do a lot of that. It's definitely a weekend job just to do the clutch on this thing, including the tranny and the LSD. So but for now I can get it running with its current setup, and I'm a little scared. It hasn't fired up in, again, almost 10 years. So I've done what I think is necessary to get it going. Hopefully no stuck fuel in the fuel lines, no that's all I can think of. Oil change. So anyways, let's get going. Oh, it's so clean. Not sure why I'm changing it, but it's probably got less than 500 kilometers on it, but it's also 10 years old, so thing to note, I am running my motorcycle battery because I don't have a battery for this car. Hopefully that'll be strong enough. It'll be strong enough to fire it up. And yeah, wish me luck. Before we do that, it just seems that it's when I prime the pump, it seems to be sucking air. So I know there's enough gas in there. I did add some, but I'm gonna add some more just to make sure. It just sounds different. I could just be my imagination. I haven't heard this in a long time, but it seems that it needs fuel. The rail? Probably. Well, battery's weak. Battery's not gonna do it. Well, that sucks. It's a motorcycle battery. Can't handle it. And it's not a very good motorcycle battery either. But I need a stronger battery. So I guess the startup's gonna have to wait. Click. Finally, a proper working battery.